In this video, we show how to use the FibeTV app to control your FibeTV box with integrated voice control. Lost, damaged, used as a chew toy, you can easily replace your FibeTV remote 24/7 at bell.ca. In the interim, you can use the FibeTV app to control your FibeTV box. To begin, using a smartphone or tablet, connect to your home Wi-Fi and open the FibeTV app. In the top right-hand corner, tap the Cast icon. Begin casting by selecting FibeTV from the list. Find and select content you would like to watch and tap Cast to get it started.
But if that's all you can find, feel free
To access playback controls, tap the floating gray bar at the bottom. Grab your boogie board, you're ready to start channel surfing. For more support, visit bell.ca/support or visit our community forum at bell.ca/forum.